Assalamu alaikum. In the previous class we discussed about the basics of polynomial, the leading term, the degree of the polynomial, leading coefficient. Today we are going to discuss how to find out the value of any polynomial of one variable for any specific value. If px is a polynomial, here it is given px is a polynomial, then find the value of p of 2, p of minus 2 and p of half. So we will show how to find out the value of p of minus 2. P of minus 2, here px is equal to thrice x cube plus twice x square minus 7x plus 8. In the chapter 1 we have learned how to find out the value of function. This is similar kind of problem. You need to think that this is a function, like that functional value. You will put the value in the function. Here just this function is a polynomial. Okay, so if we put the value of x minus 2, we are putting this for minus 2. For x it is minus 2, so minus 2 cube it is minus 8, and minus 2 square it is 4. So minus 7 and minus 2 multiplied plus 14 and plus 8. Now we have calculated, it is minus 24, 8, 14 plus 8, 22, and from here we got finally 6. Similarly, we can find out the value of p of 2, it will be 26, p of half, it will be 43 by 8. Our next topic will be a very important theorem in algebra, that is the remainder theorem. Before going to that topic, I will discuss an example. If here polynomial px is given, x square minus 5x plus 6, divide this px by x minus 4 and show that the remainder is equal to p of 4. That means if we divide this polynomial px by x minus 4, we will get some remainder, and that remainder will be equal to the value of p minus p of 4. That 4 comes from here. That is the remainder theorem. At first we will solve this example. If we divide by x minus 4, we can see that the quotient will be x minus 1, and at last we will get the remainder 2. And again we have discussed a problem how to find out the polynomial a few moments ago. We have applied that here. We are finding out the value of p of 4, and finding out the value of p of 4, we can see that the value of p of 4 is 2, and we have also got this 2 as the remainder by normal division method. So these two are equal. We have proved that. Now from this we will go to that remainder theorem. Remainder theorem is that if px is a polynomial of positive degree and a is any definite number, the remainder of the division of px by x minus a will be p of a. That means the division of px by p of x by x minus a will be, the remainder will be p of a. We have already found that in the example discussed previously. Here we have got the remainder in normal method, division method 2, and if we consider this theorem, we have shown that this a, x minus a, this a, if we take this value and find the value of the polynomial, for this value we will get this equal to the remainder. That is the theorem. I will assign you some HW. In that in those HW you need to find out the remainder by normal division method and also by applying the remainder theorem. normal division method you can easily find out the remainder. And what is the remainder theorem? For any definite number a, if you divide the polynomial px by x minus a, then the remainder will be the p of a. So if you divide the polynomial by x minus 4, the remainder will be p of 4. If you divide the polynomial by x minus 5, the remainder will be equal to the value of p of 5. If you divide the polynomial by x minus 6, the remainder will be equal to the value of p of 6. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.